In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close the All Tools pane in Adobe Acrobat. This is specifically about hiding the All Tools side menu so that it doesn't pop up every time you open a document. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to streamline your workspace and reduce distractions. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open up a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Now when you do this, you might immediately notice the All Tools tab open on the left side of your screen. This tab can sometimes clutter your workspace, so let's see how you can close it permanently. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll want to click on the hamburger menu, which is the three horizontal lines you should see there. A drop down menu will appear, and from this you'll select Preferences. This is where you'll make the necessary changes to stop the All Tools pane from reopening every time. Once inside Preferences, navigate to the Documents category. This section contains various options related to how documents are handled and displayed when you open them in Acrobat. Now, in the Open Settings section, look for the option that says Restore Last View Settings when reopening documents. Check this box. Essentially, what this does is save your current workspace layout for the next time you open a PDF. It's like telling Acrobat to remember what you had set up the last time you were in it. After you have checked that box, go ahead and click OK to close the Preferences dialog box. By doing this, you've ensured that any changes you've made will be saved, but we're not quite done yet. You'll need to close the All Tools panel manually right now since it's still open from when you originally opened the PDF. To close the panel, simply click on the X button located next to the All Tools text. This action will temporarily close the tab for the current session. However, because you've set your preferences to restore the last view settings, the next time you open a document, Acrobat will remember not to open the All Tools panel automatically. The final step is to close your document. Once you've done that, you're ready for the moment of truth. Open a PDF again. You should notice that the All Tools panel is not open this time. Congratulations, you have successfully set Acrobat to remember your preferred viewing settings, making for a cleaner and less cluttered workspace every time you open a document. And there you have it, you've just learned how to permanently disable the All Tools pane in Adobe Acrobat. This should help keep things neat and organized while you're working. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips like this one.